Hey everyone. Before you wash your Sunbeam electric blanket, it's extremely important to follow the correct safety steps so you don't damage the blanket or put yourself at risk. The very first thing you must do is unplug the blanket from the wall outlet. Never attempt to wash an electric blanket while it's connected to power, as this can cause serious electrical hazards. Once unplugged, carefully disconnect the control cord from the blanket by gently releasing the connector where it attaches. Never pull on the cord itself. Next, always check the care label attached to your specific Sunbeam blanket. This label gives model-specific instructions for safe washing and drying. Most modern Sunbeam electric blankets are machine washable, but the washing method must be gentle to protect the internal wiring. Use a gentle or delicate cycle with cold or lukewarm water and a mild detergent only. Avoid hot water, bleach, fabric softener, harsh chemicals, or dry cleaning, as these can damage the heating elements and insulation inside the blanket. After washing, rinse thoroughly to remove all detergent residue. For drying, air drying is the safest option. Lay the blanket flat on a drying rack or clothesline away from direct heat or sunlight. If your care label allows machine drying, use only a low or air only setting for a short time, then finish air drying. Always make sure the blanket is completely dry before reconnecting the controller and plugging it back in. Washing your electric blanket every 2 to 3 months helps maintain hygiene and long term performance.